Thank you, Charanjit ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of BCM family to the annual function of BCM Kindergarten Class LKG Kalruk 2025. Our worthy ma'am principal is among us. So I request all of you to welcome her with thundering applause.
My heartiest salutations to all the parents, and I hope this day will have wonderful memories and you will carry home many reasons to smile. Please welcome worthy ma'am principal along with our vice principal ma'am, Miss Navpreet Bhattal, and all our respected coordinators. Please welcome with a thundering round of applause.
The flame signifies knowledge that dispels the darkness of mind and illuminates our path. I invite little Saina to come on the stage to make a humble request for lamp lighting ceremony.
Namaskar everyone. Let us begin the event with the divine ritual of lighting the lamp. May Goddess Saraswati guide us all with her divine grace. With this, I invite my principal and esteemed guests to light the lamp, please.
When you have faith in God, you don't have to worry about the future. Let's start the event with the blessings of God.
ਵਡਿਆਈਆਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਜੀਓ ਕੀ ਵਡਿਆਈਆਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਜੀਓ ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਾਂ ਪੀਰ ਤੂੰ ਹੈ ਫਕਰ तू है हासा भी तू हीर तू है रूदास शरीर तू है सब भैणा दा वीर तू है शुरू भी तू अखीर तू है वाह गुरु 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 सबसे अलग है
request Ms. Sarita Sood, the coordinator of BCM Kindergarten, along with the young BCMites, to give floral welcome to worthy ma'am principal. Flowers always make people better, happier and helpful. They are the sunshine, food and medicine to the soul.
I request the persona with distinct vision and epitome of knowledge and experience, Ma'am Principal, please come forward and accord formal welcome to all invitees.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Very good afternoon. There, we are not missing you at all. On behalf of my BCM degree family, Anita Sood, the coordinator, vice principal, you see a new face today, Mrs. Navpreet Bhattal, recently joined, and on behalf of all my teachers, all the staff, and these little tiny dots, my stars, on behalf of everyone, I welcome you all to our school, to your school. Thank you so much for coming, and so impressed, so happy to see the kind of gathering. I mean, it's very, very important to be a part of child's journey, particularly at the foundational level, at the level where they are at this stage. Did you notice one thing today? I was totally in love with this performance. Please clap for this performance. I don't know how many imperfections you must have seen here, but please acknowledge one thing. They are performing on this particular stage for the first time. Can you believe it? आपको बुलाती हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा करती हूँ, कितने लोग यहाँ पे आराम से बोल सकते हैं. This is something which is wonderful. At BCM, you know, we people are committed to provide the holistic education. You all know that the world is changing very fast. The future is going to be very different. What we are teaching them in the books, from the books today, may not be relevant. But the things, still, there are certain things which would remain relevant. And that is what is called as the future education, futuristic education. What would be relevant? I could see collaboration here. I could see the communication here. Communication with the peer. They were communicating with each other. ये तेरी जगह नहीं है, इधर हो जा, तू उधर हो जा. And look at the age of these children. And then they were communicating with you also. The peer interaction, the social interaction, the interaction with the teachers, the training that they have got, the problems that they were solving. थोड़ा ज़्यादा उधर हो गए हैं, थोड़ा इधर हो जाते हैं. And you know, lot many things. We call these skills as transferable skills. क्योंकि हम वो स्किल्स तो बच्चों को दे नहीं सकते जो कल को चाहिए, हमें भी नहीं पता, बिकॉज द फ्यूचर चेंजेस. आई मीन द वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग एवरी 5 years. 5 साल के बाद तो दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाती है पता ही नहीं चलता. आई समटाइम्स से दैट राइट नाउ we issue the bona fide certificates and also we issue the no objection certificates for traveling to Canada, US or so. And time is going to come very soon when your children will be there in the school itself, when we would be issuing the certificate, the no objection certificate for space travel also. You know, that's the speed with which the world is going. So we want that our children should be equipped with futuristic skills. और वो futuristic skills के लिए ना हमें अपना दिमाग थोड़ा कम और इनका दिमाग थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगवाना है. So that is what we have to do. अपनी मर्जी से, अपने हिसाब से, अपने दिमाग से, even if they write 2 sentences, would be much better than a page-long paragraph or essay. So that is what we want, and for that we need your cooperation also. The cooperation in the sense that whatever the way we are teaching, the way we are, handling them in the school, the same thing, the same way it should be done at home. Because, you know, in बच्चों की growth, in बच्चों की development, it is a partnership. It is a partnership between you and us. So together only we can do that. And I'm very happy also that we have got wonderful parents who are cooperating in each and every event, each and every program that we are having with the school, and I'm very sure that you people will keep doing that also. Thank you very much. I don't want to come between you and this presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, I need your kind permission to start the function formally. Thank you, ma'am.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, our little anchor, Love Kirat Singh, is eagerly waiting to commence the function formally. Please welcome Love Kuri.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are so happy to welcome you all present here on this beautiful day. Today, we are going to make beautiful memories with our lovely performances. So keep supporting us with your smiles and claps. Now let's enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a memorizing Bollywood dance performance. It's time to experience the vibrant energy of Bollywood. So get ready for an unforgettable show.
Take me to the
Twist.
What a fantabulous performance. वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता, तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता। रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, ऐसे ही तिरंगे को सदा अपने दिल से बसाए रखना। प्लीज वेलकम लिटिल मंचकिन्स ऑफ LKG एस्टर।
तीन रंगों से बना तिरंगा सदा शक्ति बरसाता है। देखो भारत की चोटी पर शांति लहराता है। तो आइए मिलकर सल्यूट करते हैं इस तिरंगे को जो हमारे देश की आन बान और शान है।
मंजिलें उनको मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
Sir, please. Camera like that.
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना, इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को छूले तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले चलती रहे। ये जो जानवान है तेरे सामने क्या है, कोई शूरवीर ही प्राण दान देता है। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले चलती रहे। तिरंगा हर घर तिरंगा।
who says learning can't be fun. Our little rock stars are ready to show the fun filled. Buckle up for a hilarious ride.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, good morning. Why are you so late? पहले तो तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम टेस्ट प्रिपेयर करके आए हो? Yes, ma'am. फिर ये बताओ सीनियर और जूनियर में क्या फर्क होता है? हा 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 हा. इतना इजी क्वेश्चन. जो सी के लिए रहते हैं वो सीनियर, जो जू के लिए रहते हैं वो जूनियर. ओह माय गॉड, तुम्हारा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम्हें तो प्रिंसिपल मैम के पास लेके जाना पड़ेगा. चलो ये बताओ कि तुम कहाँ पे रहते हो? मैम जी अपने घर में. मेरा मतलब कि तुम कहाँ पे रहते हो? मैम अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ. और तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा कहाँ रहते हैं? मेरे साथ. और तुम सब कहाँ रहते हो? जो वो प्रीति आंटी का घर है ना, उनके घर के साथ. और ये तुम्हारी प्रीति आंटी कहाँ रहते हैं? हमारे घर के साथ. ओह माय गॉड, तुम्हारा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ये लड़का तो मुझे पागल ही कर देगा. जा रही हूँ मैं नहीं पढ़ा सकती इस क्लास को. और सॉरी मैम जी, सॉरी, आप तो गुस्सा ही कर गए.
I know you love me and you know I love ya. मैं अपनी understanding को फिर
Dear audience, क्रिकेट सिर्फ बल्ला और गेंद का खेल नहीं, ये धैर्य, मेहनत और जुनून की परीक्षा है. So keep your face always towards the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you. Please welcome little cricketers of LKG Jasmine.
मैम सामने ही देख के
It is a World Cup final between India and Australia. Australia win the World Cup for the sixth time.
सलमान लापरवाही से आउट हुए. प्रेशर नहीं झेल सकती, लेकिन अंदर से मन टूटा हुआ है. थोड़ा ईगो पे आ गया था. और इंडिया आज के बाद ना कभी फाइनल में आएगा, ना कभी वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगा.
तू ही आन मौला मेरे ले ले मैं
बचपन से आज तक एक कसक अभी बाकी है। दिल के उस कोने में एक धड़क अभी बाकी है। अपने कदमों पर तो खड़ा हो गया, पर इंडिया के लिए फिर से खड़ा होना अभी बाकी है।
Getting ready to go to Majestic House.
That was a real sportsmanship. Now it's time to take a moment to express our gratitude. I would like to call Manvi on the stage. Please welcome her with a thundering round.
Good afternoon, everyone. We, the Little Busy Mites, want to express our big thanks to you all for gracing the occasion, and thank you so much all the dear parents who motivated us by your lovely smiles and thunderous laughs.
our kids creates the fantasy world with Barbie dolls. It inspires the limitless potential in every child. Let's enter into the world of fun and amazement by rock stars of LKG Tulip.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
Una vez ancha, la mediana, yo vi तुमने मुझसे कहा है señorita, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
Now, I would like to call our the coordinator ma'am, Miss Anita Sood. Ma'am, please come on the stage and give vote of thanks to all invitees.
The sun that rises has to set. The flowers that bloom have to bloom. Likewise, the program that began has come to an end with a new beginning yet to come. A very good afternoon to all present here. On behalf of BCM family, I deem it great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us and making us feel proud. First of all, I thank the Almighty God who have designed and refreshed our soul with His sweet stream of His blessings. His unfailing love keep us march forward towards a better tomorrow. I am grateful to the members of the management committee for giving me the opportunity to work with great people and the knowledge and skills that I have gained working under them. I would like to thank dear parents for their love, support and cooperation. Let me extend a sense of gratitude to our respected principal ma'am for giving us for motivating us, for awakening our desires and wonders of young generation. I am extremely thankful to our vice principal ma'am and my cooperation for all the cooperation. I would like to thank the little tiny tots of BCM Kindergarten for their brilliant performances. Finally, I thank all the teachers who put so hard work in preparing the kids and all the supporters who made this event a successful event. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's enjoy the fusion of Punjab and Rajasthan with the rhythmic beats of Punjab and melodic tunes of Rajasthan. आओ स्वागत करिए LKG ਦੇ ਚੋਰਾ ਚੋਰੀ ਤੇ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ ਤਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।
राम राम सा जी आया रू सोने की धरती जटे चांदी रो आसमान है रंग रंगीलो रस भरे हो हमारो प्यारो राजस्थान है पधारो हमारे देश माँ मक्की दी रोटी सरसों का साग विसाखी दी मस्ती भंगड़े दी थाप वेलकम यू ऑल साडा पंजाब।
Now it's time to honor our country. Please rise and stand straight for national anthem.